to BSc second year class. In BSc second year, there are three papers. Paper number 6, real analysis. Paper number 7 is modern algebra, and paper number 8 is ordinary differential equations. Each paper carries 50 marks, out of which 40 marks exam is conducted by university and 10 marks are about internal exam. यासोबतच तुम्हाला अजून एक आहे पेपर, तो आहे स्किलचा. तुमचे जे 3 ऑप्शन असतील त्यापैकी तुम्हाला एक हा पेपर निवडायचा आहे. त्याची परीक्षा इंटरनल सुद्धा होईल आणि एक्सटर्नल सुद्धा होईल. त्यापैकी आता आपण पेपर पाहणार आहोत मॉडर्न अल्जेब्रा. याचा बराचसा भाग तुम्हाला माहीत असेल, जनरल बेसिक भाग आहे. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय सेट? सेट इज द एनी वेल डिफाइंड class or collection of objects. Well defined collection of objects means there exists a rule by which we can identify that the given object or element belong to that set or not. For example, suppose we are considering set. Suppose this is the collection. This is the collection. Now, what is the rule? That the element belongs to that set A. It is the set of all odd numbers, positive odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, such type. That is it. Okay. In similar ways, we can take set of all even numbers, set of prime numbers, and so on. Now, we are going to learn what is in the Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B be two given sets. Let A belongs to A and B belongs to. Then ordered pair A comma B denotes and the object A is called as first coordinate and the object B is called as second coordinate. Okay. Suppose A comma B and C comma D are two ordered pairs. Suppose A comma B and C comma D are two ordered pairs. Then A comma B is equal to C comma D if and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to. Means first coordinate is equal to first coordinate of second pair and second coordinate is equal to second coordinate of the second pair. In the similar way, you can see that 2 comma 5 and 5 comma 2, these are two ordered pairs, but these are two different pairs, because in the first term, first ordered pair, the first coordinate is 2 and here first coordinate is 5, both are different. So these two ordered pairs are different because they interchange, there is an interchange in their sequence. Okay. Now suppose A and B are two sets, the set of all distinct ordered pairs whose first coordinate is the element of A and whose second coordinate is an element of B is called as Cartesian product of A and B in that order, and it is denoted by A cross B. Okay, this is written as A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pairs such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Okay. Now this is called as Cartesian product of A and B. Suppose we have two sets A and B. Suppose we have two sets A and B. Then the set of all distinct ordered pairs whose first elements, this is set of all ordered distinct pairs, ordered pairs, whose first element A belongs to capital A, second element B belongs to capital B, is called as Cartesian product of A and B. Now for example, suppose A is equal to ABC and B is equal to PQ. Then A cross B, this is the Cartesian product. The elements in the Cartesian products are of the form ordered pairs, whose first element is A and second belongs to A and second element belongs to set B. Now what are the elements now? A comma P, next A comma Q, A comma P, A comma Q, again B comma P, B comma Q, next for C, C comma P, C comma Q. These are the 6 distinct elements which belongs to this Cartesian product. Now there are 3 elements in set A and there are 2 elements in the set B, and in Cartesian product there are total 6 elements A cross B. In Cartesian product A cross B there are 6 elements. Okay. Now this is the definition of Cartesian product. Just see it. We have to select two sets A and B, and the number of ordered pairs formed by using the elements of A and B forms a Cartesian product. Okay. Thank you.